watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. First of all guys, let me apologise for my voice. I'm a little unwell at the moment, but I wanted to get this voiceover done for you. So I'm doing another episode of my Fall in Love with Fall series, and this time we're decorating my dining room. I hope you enjoy. So we're starting here in my breakfast area, guys. This used to be my dining room space and I converted it into a breakfast area. I'm going to start with this beautiful rattan tray and place that in the centre. Now you know I'm absolutely loving the colour baby blue at the moment, and I love this candle that I recently picked up from 1825 Interiors.
No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
Now also from 1825 was this beautiful blue vase. I filled it with these gorgeous stems from Spotlight. Now Spotlight at the moment guys currently have 30% off store wide, and I couldn't pass up these beautiful colours.
The sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment.
Now adding my little pop of glam, I used my Z Gallery pumpkin. Now this originally come in a pack of 3 guys, but I chose to just use the larger one here.
I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
I'm now going to add my gold leaf placemats, which are from my local dollar store. Now also from 1825 Interiors, I'm going to add these gorgeous rustic plates, and then I'm going to add a little breakfast plate, just a plain white one, which is from Big W, to the centre.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some
Now from
way
Amazon guys, I picked up last year these gorgeous pumpkin napkin rings, and I teamed them up with just some simple neutral napkins which are from Kmart.
If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And
Now also from Spotlight guys, I like to add pot puree to my table centerpiece. That way when we're sitting there it smells absolutely delicious, and I really love this one. It is called Sandalwood, and I also have the room spray and it smells so beautiful.
I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so sad.
Now to the shelf behind my table, I wanted to add some fall touches. So I took these 2 ice cream jars and I'm just going to place 2 little pumpkins inside.
You've never been, I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me
So guys, then I did a little DIY on some of my chopping boards. I seen a chopping board on Amazon that I absolutely loved, but it was going to cost $130 to ship to Australia. So I knew I could create the same thing just by adding some masking tape to the middle and then painting straight over the top.
Chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
You better tell the truth real fast, and then we're probably done at last. 'Cause I got somewhere to be, and you're done deceiving me into thinking I couldn't do better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me.
So guys, I absolutely love how this came. Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to give that little fall touch that I wanted in this room. Now it's winter time here in Australia, guys, and every year I play along with the rest of the world as they prepare for the fall season. So this is how I decorate for our fall right through to Halloween. I absolutely love pumpkin season, guys. It's my favourite time to decorate.
There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes.
Now I wanted to show you two styles here, guys, just painting out the napkins. I recently got these blue and white gingham ones from Pillow Talk, and they come in a pack of 2, and I wanted to show you how I decorated with them as well. So I removed the previous napkins and just placed them in the centre of the white plate. I then went round my house and picked out some glam pumpkins and I added them to the centre.
could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, it should have been you.
So guys, leave me a comment down below, which of the napkins did you prefer?
It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Also leave me a comment down below if you have started decorating for fall, and let me know what colours that you are decorating with this year.
Driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. It really helps the channel. Share the video as much as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know.
So me and my croaky voice are gonna go rest now, guys. So I'll be back on Wednesday, 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time for another video here at Chelles Glam Home. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all then. Bye, guys.